In this lab, we are going to look at the footprinting and reconnaissance. So we are going to start with our machine in Linux, Kali Linux. You can use either Ubuntu or Kali Linux for this lab. And we will go through the footprinting and reconnaissance steps that are commonly used within the hacking process for defensive purposes. Now we are going through the browser and take a look at the Whois link. Whois is a website that finds the information on the domains owner and everything around it. Let's try to go to the whois.com is the link. You are seeing here, I'm running a virtual machine in Kali Linux. You can either use Ubuntu or Windows, or take a look for find the Whois search box, which is here in the menu. And we are going to put it there, some name of the company, for example, Schneider.com, and to see what it returns. As Schneider is one of the companies in industrial sectors. And now we have returned information about the Schneider domain information, registrant contact, administrative contact, everything, technical contact around this domain. And this is the first step within the footprint and reconnaissance that is conducted. As an attacker, they are looking for any name servers or leverage from those names. And this company that we searched, Schneider, was also that made the Modbus protocol for the industrial sectors. And now we continue further with to look more on the Google hacking database. We are now to open a new tab on the browser, and we go to the Google hacking database, which is exploit-db.com, Google hacking database. And remember, it is hosted in exploit-db. So remember, these strings are called Google Docs. So we have some Google queries, some advanced search operators, as we call it, Google Docs. Now we wanted to enter a couple of finding such some texts, example IoT, and we will go there and find some Google Docs and go from there and explain you what is about these steps within the hacking methodology of an attacker with defensive purposes. And let's try and find some Google Docs related to IoT. We have 3 of them identified here, and we have it here entitled in URL to IoT logging. And let's go for this. We have also categories, pages containing logging portals. Those Google Docs shows that are related to some pages that include provide the login pages. Let's go select the second one. And you see here are information about this Google Doc. What we need to do further as the next step, we just needed to go to the google.com and insert that Google Doc, and we are going to see some information related to that. And you see, we are seeing different type of things with IoT logging. Remember, we are just showing a process. We are not trying to log into in any of those IoT systems. And if it's not HTTPS also, remember what is a clear text protocol. Since it's clear text protocol, I can intercept and gain access. As an attacker, we can try man-in-the-middle attacks in this communication with no encryption, or we just brute force authentication, username and password. Those systems should not be accessible from the internet. Those are all concerns for the security. And if you see here, if you just click one of these, and you will see it should forward you to the login page. And here you can, as an attacker, they can target an attack as a brute force, man in the middle, and those types of different various attacks. We are just showing you a process. It's not that we wanted to try to log in any of those IoT systems. And now, next, we will open a new tab within the browser, and we wanted to show you something at the Shodan. Remember, Shodan is another tool we can use to extract information for the ICS systems and industrial IoT. And since we are here in the Shodan, we can go and type it, click it, explore. And then we have different types of category which you can explore: industrial control system, databases, network infrastructure, video games, and so on. We will select the industrial control systems. And we got here different protocols of the industry. We got Modbus, Siemens, DNP, on all those that we mentioned in our module. And so now let's go click and explore Modbus. Usually Shodan asks for the login, an account, and you just need to register a login with an account to find more information on those particular ICS information related to the industrial control systems. And you see here, it identifies automatically Modbus as a port 502, as we mentioned. And let's try and solve this logging information and come back to you with continuous of this lab. So now we are back, and we will try to explore more information on the industrial control systems. Since we have here different protocols of the ICS, we wanted to explore more the Modbus protocol. And so here at Explore Modbus, we got a lot of information of IoT systems in port 502, which is a port for Modbus protocol. So we just wanted to show the process. You only do this if you got written authorization and permission to access an organization assessment. And here you are seeing we have a different related information of the industrial companies that are using Modbus, utilizing Modbus for their need for the operational, for the industrial operations. You can explore a different protocol here also. You can explore Siemens, DNB, or BACnet. Let me mention in the earlier modules. With this, we conclude the lab.